Hello and welcome back to Tip Ice. In this video, we are going to show you all the different concentrated red dye using my spectrometer and also the industrial spectrometer. So in this video, we're going to run through them at double speed. So here, we turn on the spectrometer and we first put in the black cuvette to then get the bottom when no voltage is, or when no light is being read. So this gives you the bound at which no light is being read, roughly at 9.6. Now we're going to put in the pure water, and this reads at negative 3.25. So now that we have the bounds, we can then use the different concentrations of red dye and determine the voltage, or calculate the voltage to then calculate the concentration. So this one here is the 0.2% red dye. And as you can see here, it's actually near the top of the spectrum, close to like the black cuvette. So this one here is going to be 6.7 times 10 to the negative third weight percent at roughly 5.9. We're going to go back up to 0.017 weight percent, and this one reads at roughly 8 volts. Now, going back down, this one is 2 times 10 to the negative third weight percent, which reads to be a 2.8 volts. The next one is going to be 5.3 times 10 to the negative fourth weight percent, which now reads to be negative 1.06. Going down even further at 1.8 times 10 to the negative fourth weight percent, you can see that it goes down slightly, but it's still roughly negative 1. And now the least concentrated at 6 times 10 to the negative fifth reads to be negative 1.8. So now, just to show you the pure water yet again, and the lower bound there, which read to be roughly negative 3.6, 3.5. As we move to the second video here, this video is going to be the industrial spectrometer. And much like my spectrometer, you have to use a black cuvette and also a pure water cuvette to then get the bounds. So at this point here, I am zeroing the transmittance, so there's zero light going through. You move it to the pure water, and you zero the absorbance. So like I said before, much like mine, these give you the bounds at which your system can then operate. So these first two here are going to be the 0.2% and the 0.017%. As you can see, both of these read to be 3.0 for the absorbance. This is kind of showing you that this spectrometer seems to top out at a high concentration. So as we move down to the 6.7 times 10 to the negative third and the 2 times 10 to the negative third weight percent, you can see how it jumps from 2.7 down to the 0.9, just from that small difference in concentration. The next two are going to be 5.3 times 10 to the negative fourth and 1.8 times 10 to the negative fourth, which here you can see one reads 0.171 while the other one reads 0.068. So the higher concentrated is a little bit higher while the lower concentration is a little bit lower. And this one here is 6 times 10 to the negative fifth, which reads the lowest absorbance of 0.054. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.